So today I'm going to be talking about this, the Karcher K2 compact car and home kit. So first impressions, I haven't used it too much. In fact, I've only used it once. I used it to wash my Tesla after 2 weeks of ownership. So it wasn't too dirty, but it needed a wash. So I guess you're probably wondering what comes in the box and what does what. So basically, this, let me show you. That's not the right photo. So what does it actually come with? So as you can see, it comes with the actual unit itself. So the pressure washer, which is really small. You'll see later in the video how small it is. It comes with a car brush. It comes with a patio cleaner and a car foam or foamer pre-wash. They call it a shampoo. You'll see how effective or ineffective it is later compared to a alternate product, which I prefer. It comes with the lance or spray gun. What do they call it here? So they call it a high pressure. No, they call it a applicator. So foam jet. It comes with a foam jet. It comes with 2 high pressure guns, 1-way spray lance, and a dirt blaster spray lance. This is a 4-meter hose for the actual gun itself. And then for the home kit, it comes with the surface cleaner. So this is quite nice because, you know, it allows you to wash the patio or the surfaces without the water just going everywhere. So if you want a video on that, let me know. I didn't pay this price. I managed to pick this up at, I think it was £79. So watch out. They do come on special quite often. But yeah. So what did I use to actually clean the car with this? So firstly, this is what I used. So what do we have? So what I did was I pre-washed the car with the included shampoo that came with the Karcher. So you'll see that soon. But then I used the pH neutral snow foam immediately after that, after rinsing it off the car, to see the difference in, I suppose, consistency, or, you know, to see the difference between, you know, what each product would do. So I prefer the pH neutral, spoiler alert. After that, I rinsed down the car after, I think, 10 minutes. Actually, first thing, or second thing, after I applied the pH neutral snow foam, I then applied the bug squash to the front bumper, where obviously bugs get squashed, and the wing mirrors. Left both products on for about 5 minutes. The bug squash does say only 30 seconds, so maybe I didn't do it correctly, but okay. Then I rinsed it off, and I then using the 2 bucket method. So one with soap, specifically Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash, and one with just normal lukewarm water for rinsing. I then used the Rolson hand mitt, which I found, don't even remember where I got it, but I think it was like £3. So yeah, so I washed down the car all over with that and left that to soak a little bit longer. Then rinsed it off again with the K2. And then once it was all rinsed off, I then went back to every single panel one by one, and I used a microfiber cloth to dry the whole car, which took longer than I expected, but okay. Once that was done, I applied RainX to all the glass and headlights and taillights of the car. Man, that stuff is incredible. So yeah, so as you can see, this is what the car looked like after this simple wash method. It took me 3 hours, but definitely can be done within an hour. I took my time, I did the pre-wash twice because I used the K2 and then I used the ValetPro pH neutral snow foam. But yeah, first impressions of the Karcher K2, I'd say if you can get it for the price that I got it for, it's well worth the money. I don't know if I would pay £130 for it. I'd probably opt for a bigger unit, the K3, but to be honest, for car wash, this is perfect. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and if you want to see more videos, then just let me